There are a lot of challenges in relation to climate change, and one of the biggest is that transport is one of the big contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Anyway, Scania will not be seen as a problem. We would like to be seen as someone that can help to solve that problem. And the most important thing is to deliver vehicles that have a lower and lower carbon footprint, and also that we work in intermodality so that the best sides of different transport modes can work together. I think that is key in this respect, and of course there must be a cooperation between all actors in the transport industry, vehicle manufacturers, transport operators, and also legislators. We have been working with ethanol technology for about 30 years. It started with buses to Stockholm public transport, and the reason was to get a better air quality in Stockholm. After that, we have now delivered about 800 ethanol buses to Stockholm, and all inner city traffic in Stockholm run on biofuels, renewable biofuels. The majority of them are ethanol buses. We have a unique technology since we use a diesel engine that is fueled by ethanol. And that means that we have a very high energy efficiency of these buses, and therefore the fuel consumption is much better than other types of ethanol engines. Now we also have one ethanol bus running on test here in South Africa, in Johannesburg, together with a Reabaya bus system that connect Soweto with the city center of Johannesburg. And we hope that we will be able to deliver more ethanol buses to this public transport system, because it's quite a good fuel for this type of traffic, and it can be locally produced and thereby also decrease the bill for diesel oil for this company running the operations. And by producing ethanol locally, you will also create jobs for people that now are unemployed. The future relies very much on this cooperation, I said, between different actors in the transport industry. We can start to take the first step already now by specifying vehicles that are better than average, by training drivers, because the driver is of very big importance in lowering fuel consumption. Any driver can, I would say, drive between 10 and 15% better than they do today. We also think that increasing use of renewable energy is of very big importance in greening the transport business. To start with, we have biofuels like ethanol, like biodiesel, like biogas, and in the future we also can see that we will be able to move over to electricity. But it's so important that we start with robust technology and apply technology that we can use today, not wait 10 or 15 years for some silver bullet in the future that will never appear. I think that a conference like this gives you a lot of opportunities to network and establish contacts with organizations and companies that you don't have met before. And therefore it was quite good reason for us to take this opportunity on COP17. And this climate action event is of course a brilliant way to come in contact with a lot of delegates that are responsible in some way or another to develop energy efficient and good transport in their home countries. And so this is, so to speak, very much a pre-sales opportunity for us. but I think it's important for a company like Scania to have good relations at the governmental level and on the different kinds of other bodies, and not only with the customers that operates buses and trucks. We need other contacts too.